helps show in service, and it is less than 80%. For iPhone 13 mini, here show that the old battery only can support 2,406 mAh, whereas the high-capacity battery can support up to 2,580 mAh, which means that it can last longer than the normal battery. Let's clean up the old glue and install the new high-capacity battery. The battery status show unverified due to non-original battery is installed. At the same time, the pop-up message is detected. So we need to run the diagnose process to remove the pop-up message. The diagnose process is completed. Let's check again the battery status. No more unverified show. And the pop-up message has been removed. The battery health back to 100%. It only shows used in the battery setting. Thinking to change new battery? Contact us now.